Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your base and marking the pattern right away. Choose a smooth surface like coat a stone or a primed board, then thin acrylic paint about 10:1 so it flows without running. Once mixed, test a drop on scrap to confirm viscosity. Sketch the column layout with chalk or a dot grid, keeping spacing consistent. This helps your fingertip or bottle maintain rhythm. Make sure the center and margins are clear so your first strokes land precisely where intended. Now build the column lines and add layers methodically. You work from the center outward to avoid smudging. Use a squeeze bottle or cone for long continuous lines and a small brush or fingertip for loops and fine flourishes. Apply a base color, wait 5 to 10 minutes until tacky dry, then layer contrasting hues for depth. Control flow with short bursts and a steady wrist. Light pressure gives thin lines, firmer pressure makes bolder strokes. Once a section is stable, move on to adjacent areas. To finish, refine edges and protect your column. Always inspect for stray marks and use a damp fine brush or a clean toothpick to lift excess while the paint is still slightly wet. For dried mistakes, carefully cover with matching base paint and redraw the line. Once completely dry, typically 24 hours, seal with a clear matte varnish to guard against weather and foot traffic. If a smudge happens mid-work, stop, lift the wet paint with the brush tip, then repaint that segment so the pattern stays crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.